Okay, today let's introduce ultrasonic welder. This welder was for like this wire and terminal plate here. Easy, simple type. Okay. This video we talk about the configuration first. This is a foot pedal. Okay. This is ultrasonic generator. This ultrasonic generator is 5,000 watt. Maximum can be 6,000 watt. Okay, power switch. Later we will introduce the interface. Okay, both English and Chinese. This switch is for the mode. Later we can this is a fixture. Okay, horn and the limit, position limit, cylinder, fans, cooling fans. This is cooling air. For this, because this need more power, we will add one more air pipe later to cooling the horn. Okay, this is a the air valve and our limb plate. Backside is some connections, only some connections. Okay, power cable, and this is ultrasonic cable, and other control cable to the head. Okay, I think this will not get wrong. Okay, later we introduce the interface. This is emergency, but here are some inside the hole. Here are some screws to lock the horn to the transducer. Here are some stock of the welder. You can see here this one is more higher than this welder. This is for we call the wire splicer. Stronger type. In my previous video, I introduced this. Okay, let's split to another video.